B is 20% more efficient than A. B started the work and did it for X days, and then B is replaced by A. A completed the remaining work in X plus 8 days. Ratio of work done by A and B is 3:2. In how many days A and B working together complete the whole work? Okay, so in this first statement we are given the ratio of their efficiencies. So the ratio of efficiencies of A and B is B is 20% more efficient than A. So if A is 100, B is 20% more, so B will be 120. Let's simplify. We get 2 5s are 2 6s are, so the ratio we get is 5:6. This is the ratio of their efficiencies. Now B started the work and did it for X days. So B started the work and did it for X days, and then B is replaced by A. A completes the remaining work in X plus 8 days. So B works for 8 X days, then B is replaced by A. A does work for X plus 8 days, and they together complete the total work. Alright, now the ratios of the work done by A and B is 3:2. Now B working for X days will give us the B's work. Alright, B working for X days gives us B's work, and A working for X plus 8 days will give us A's work. Alright, and we are given the ratios of work done by A and B as 3:2. So we can say that A working for X plus 8 days will give us the work done by A. So, and divided by B working for X days will give us the work done by B. And this ratio is equals to 3/2. This is equals to 3/2. Okay, now pay attention carefully. We know that efficiency is directly proportional to work done, and efficiency is inversely proportional to the time taken. Okay, I'll repeat it again. Efficiency is directly proportional to the work, and efficiency is inversely proportional to the time. So from this ratio, from this ratio, we get the ratios of their work as well. It would be what? It would be, okay, it's directly proportional, so it would be same, and we'll get the ratios of the time as well. It is inversely proportional, so we'll take 6:5. I've just inversed it. Okay, now in here A by B, that means A's work and B's work. Okay, but we know the ratios of A's work and B's work, it is 5:6. So we can say that A is to B, A by B is 5/6. So I can just substitute it here. I'll say 5/6 x plus 8 divided by x. This is equals to 3/2. Now let's just solve this. 2 3s are, we get, okay, so we get 5x plus 5 8s are 40 is equals to 3x into 3, we get 9x. So we get 40 is equals to 9x minus 5x, 4x. So 4 1s are 4 10s are, so we get the value of x, which is 10. Okay, we got a value of x. Now question is asking us, in how many days A and B working together completes the whole work, but we don't know what the whole work is. But from this equation we can calculate the total work, then we'll get the whole work, and then we can calculate how many days A and B take to complete that work. So let's calculate the total work first. Okay, now B working for X days, we know B working for X, which is equals to 10. So B work for 10 days, and we know B can work 6 units. So 6 into 10 will be 60, plus we know that X plus 8 is 18, and A works 5 units per day. So 18 into 5 will give us 90, and this will give us the total work. So total work here will be 90 plus 60, which would be 150. Now we need time taken by A and B to complete this whole work. So it would be total work 150 divided by how much work they do per day. Okay, so we have the ratios of work here. It is 5:6. So 5 plus 6 is 11. So that means they both together do 11 units of work. So 150 divided by 11, we get 11 1s are 11, 4 remaining, 11 3s are 33, 7 remaining divided by 11, and this is our required answer. So here option C is the correct one.